Welcome back to the Sovereign Ratio. With people making thousands of dollars on free airdrops from the likes of Pyth and Jito, I think it's important to highlight this post on what's coming for Atom, how you can get the airdrops on Atom, what you need to buy, and where you need to put it. If you're new here, please hit the subscribe button, the like button, and leave me a comment below. So recently, it's pretty well known that people that staked Solana in a particular location received about $6,000 worth of Jito for free, and they only had to stake one Solana to do so, which one Solana is currently sitting around $65. So to me, it's a pretty good deal to take $65 and turn that into $6,500. That's a 100x for basically doing almost nothing. In the wake of that, we saw some Bitcoin price action on the upside because those kind of airdrops do bring liquidity into the market, and generally the market moves up when there are large airdrops. We saw it with Arbitrum, we saw it recently with Jito, we saw it with Pyth, and there are several opportunities coming up in the Cosmos ecosystem. First of all, I'd like to give a big shout out to Joshyy on Twitter. If you're not following me on Twitter, please go ahead and do so. If you're not following Joshyy on Twitter, please go ahead and do so. But he posted a guide here, basically what you need to do and what's speculated that you need to do to get a maximum airdrop of up to 5 or 6 figures just in the Cosmos ecosystem. So first, I want to make known my choice for the best Cosmos wallet, and that is Leap Wallet. I'm not affiliated with Leap Wallet in any way, but there are the options of Kelper Wallet and Leap Wallet, and I largely prefer Leap Wallet just because of its user interface and the way that it's set up. So if you want to take advantage of the airdrops, the first thing that you're going to need to do is set up Leap Wallet. And I'm not going to go through the entire process here, but you simply click on Leap, and then you would download it and add it as an extension to your browser. And once you've set that up, then you're going to go ahead and create a wallet on Leap app. And you're going to have a 12-word recovery phrase that you need to store, which most wallets have between a 12 and 24-word seed phrase. You'll need to write that down and store it somewhere safe, and that will be your recovery from then on. And you'll also have to make a password for just general everyday logging in and out of Leap Wallet. You'll see that I've pulled up the extension here in the browser, and this is what Leap Wallet looks like. On the top right, this is where you navigate through different blockchains on the Cosmos ecosystem, such as Osmosis, Celestia, DYDX, Injective, and so on. There are plenty to choose from, and there's a lot of different projects. There's another one that we're going to work with today is Kujira, but that is how you switch between blockchains. And each one of these will have a unique deposit and withdrawal address that you can simply copy here and paste into wherever you're doing the transaction. It's very easy and very simple. And then down below here, you'll see your available tokens on that blockchain. So I'm currently in Celestia. You can see that there's some Celestia here, and then I have a very small amount staked here with a validator, Stake Cedo. Leap Wallet is also capable of storing your NFTs, which would be this tab right here. I don't have any in the wallet at the moment. Mine are on Talus that I own, but you can custody your NFTs here in Leap Wallet directly. You can also swap assets on Leap Wallet just using the swap feature. You would navigate to whatever blockchain you want. Let's say you want Cosmos. You could go to Cosmos. You can see I've got $10 in Cosmos in there, and I could swap that with something else if I wanted to. Clicking on the button, it'll open a new window here in your browser and take you to a swap protocol where you can choose what you want to swap for. So I have Atom, and I can swap it for Osmosis if I wanted to do that. I can just say I wanted to swap it all right there. It's going to generate a price. It's going to generate a one-step transaction, the transaction fee, and how much Osmosis you'll receive in return. And then you can review and approve the transaction and swap directly from the protocol. That's some basic info on Leap Wallet, but what we're really here for is the airdrop potential on the Cosmos ecosystem, thanks to Joshyy's tweet. So we're going to look at the tweet, and Joshyy says what we need, the minimum amount that we need to get a nice airdrop on the Cosmos ecosystem is 10 Injective, 100 Osmosis, 20 Atom, and 50 Kujira. And the cumulative total of that is right around $1,000. I would go ahead and recommend that you buy some Celestia and stake that as well to maximize any potential rewards from staking Celestia. If I was to make a recommendation on where to purchase these tokens in order to transfer them to the Leap Wallet, I would recommend MEXC, because MEXC is probably the most user-friendly place to get Kujira. Now, if you are in the United States, you'll need a VPN to use MEXC and get Kujira that way, but you can get all of these tokens on MEXC and directly transfer them to your Leap Wallet. Now you can see I'm here on MEXC right now on Injective. Injective is a little bit unique in this particular situation because the Injective that you're purchasing can either be exported as an ERC20 Ethereum token or a Binance Smart Chain token. And what we actually need is the Injective to be an Injective token. So in this particular instance, what we have to do is purchase the injective on MEXC, put it into another wallet like say MetaMask, that's an ERC20 wallet, and then go over here to the injective hub and bridge from Ethereum to injective. So here you would put your MetaMask wallet in the Ethereum line here, and then you would put your Leap wallet right here in the injective, and then it's going to cost you just a little bit of Ethereum gas to do this and bridge that over to the injective wallet. Once we have all the assets into the Leap wallet, it gets a lot simpler. Actually, we just go to whichever one we want to stake. So in this particular case, we have Cosmos here, and then we click on stake. And you can see I've already staked my Cosmos with golden ratio staking. And then from there, you would go on to the next one. So Osmosis. Hit stake. You can see I have Osmosis staked with Friends Validator. And then next down to Celestia. Hit stake. And I've got that staked with Stakecedo. And so on and so forth. You do that for Kujira and every other asset that you want to stake on the Cosmos ecosystem. From there, it's just a waiting game. And you wait to see if airdrops are going to be produced off of a snapshot or whatever the case may be, but one day you may come back to your wallet and find extra tokens in it. More details I'm sure will come out on Twitter or X about that later, but that is essentially all you need to do to get a very nice potential airdrop from the Cosmos ecosystem. So I hope you take advantage of this potential Cosmos airdrop that could yield some pretty nice returns in the future. And hopefully you learn something about Leap Wallet, how to store coins on Leap Wallet, how to store NFTs on Leap Wallet, and also how to stake on Leap Wallet. If you're new here, please hit the subscribe button, the like button, leave me a comment below. I appreciate each and every one of you. Please also be sure to follow me on Twitter for updates on charts that I post periodically. And we'll see you in the next video. Safe trading.